Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a detailed look at the 2025 Kia K5 GT, a sporty midsize sedan that blends aggressive styling, premium interior features, and impressive performance. Whether you're a driving enthusiast or just looking for a well-rounded daily driver, the K5 GT offers a compelling package that stands out in its segment. Let's dive right in and see what this car is all about. Starting with the exterior, the Kia K5 GT grabs attention immediately with its sharp, aggressive design. The signature tiger nose grille is wider and more defined, flanked by sleek LED headlights and zigzag daytime running lights that give it a futuristic, athletic look. The front bumper has large air intakes and a sculpted hood that adds to the car's dynamic presence. Around the side, you'll notice a sloping roofline that creates a fastback silhouette, sporty 19-inch alloy wheels, and blacked-out trim for a premium yet aggressive appearance. The rear of the car features a unique LED taillight design that runs across the trunk, quad exhaust tips, and a gloss black diffuser, completing the performance-inspired look. Inside, the K5 GT offers a refined and tech-savvy cabin that feels more like a near-luxury car. You get a flat-bottom steering wheel, red-accented sport seats with bolstering for added support, and high-quality materials throughout. The 10.25-inch touchscreen sits front and center with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, while the 12-speaker Bose audio system delivers crystal-clear sound. Dual-zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, and ambient lighting add to the comfort and premium feel. The rear seats are spacious enough for adult passengers, and the trunk provides ample cargo space, making it practical for everyday use. Under the hood, the K5 GT is powered by a 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 290 horsepower and 311 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that provides quick and smooth gear changes. Acceleration is impressive, with a 0 to 60 mph time of around 5.7 seconds. The front-wheel drive layout is enhanced by a sport-tuned suspension and a mechanical limited-slip differential, offering confident handling and great cornering stability. The K5 GT is fun to drive, responsive, and surprisingly refined for a car in this price range. Speaking of price, the 2025 Kia K5 GT starts at approximately $33,000, making it a fantastic value considering the level of performance, features, and style it delivers. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.